Okay. Good evening to all the 41 participants that we have at the moment with us. Uh, Thank you, Mr. Sandeep, for taking us through the in-depth detail of Leela Hotels, Palaces, and Resorts. Guys,
Thank
I'm
you.
sure that you all are aware about Leela Palaces, Hotels, and Resorts in one way or another. But the one question post COVID-19, which everyone you're gonna ask, and is very common and genuine in all of your mind, is what are the safety precautions that we're gonna take in the coming future? And hygiene is the new security that for sure we're gonna putting stress more onto. For this, you must be seeing my screen at the moment, wherein we have come up with an exclusive program called Suraksha, which is an exclusive tie-up with the company called Bureau Veritas. Bureau Veritas, if I give you a brief about, it's a pioneer in the in the in the safety segment, and it's a very old company, and mostly tying up with the hotels to meet international standards when it comes to hygiene and taking care of hygiene needs. So Suraksha is the main program that Leela has come up with, and slightly I'm going to take up all the major points in this PDF, wherein right from the check-in procedure till the guest checks out, and how everything and anything we're going to measure from the perspective of hygiene. So let me take you around through this PDF. The first program, the first slide itself says Suraksha, which is in partnership with the Bureau Veritas. And if I go through second slide, that's a note by our honorable Chief Operating Officer, Mr. Anurag Bhatnagar, who has been on board with us a couple of months back. Mr. Sanvi, should I read this for the entire participants, or should I forward it up?
No,
In
no,
fact, you
I
have to
think
read it because we can't see it.
yes,
It's
and
very
we'll
small.
also share, sir. We'll also share. You can
We'll
read out.
share, sir. I can even increase. Is it now readable, sir, Mr.
Now this is
Now it is okay.
It's slightly better, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
slightly
okay.
better.
So I'll just do one thing. Okay. So I'll just go through this quickly. Dear guest at the Leela Hotels, Palaces, and Resorts, it's a privilege to serve you. These are indeed unprecedented times, and we recognize that the current situation requires all of us to be more thoughtful in the way we approach our daily activities. Your safety and well-being is our primary concern, and we would like to assure you that we are doing everything in our power to provide an uncompromising level of service with true graciousness of Indian hospitality, which is our mission also, the Leela Palaces, Hotels, and Resorts, while gaining your trust and confidence. To reiterate our commitment, we are redefining our hygiene and cleaning protocols with the launch of Suraksha, a comprehensive program designed in coherence with our partners. This is an holistic approach we are taking to elevate our health, safety, and hygiene protocols with stringent measures that ensure a safe environment while you continue to enjoy our opulent and indulgent services. We continue to closely monitor the situation and adapt and enhance these measures, thereby prioritizing the safety and well-being of our guests and our associates. We look forward to welcome you and assure you a remarkable safe stay where caution is the new normal. Now, if I go through the next slide, that's the message that that our guest is going to get from our CEO. Ensuring safety at every stage, protective gear including masks, gloves, and PPE, personal protective equipment kits for all our associates to provide a safe environment for all our guests, regular temperature checks for all the associates and partners upon entering the hotel premises, alarms for all the associates as a reminder to sanitize themselves. This will be overguarded by the HODs of the department. Use of hospital grade EPA approved chemicals that target a broader spectrum of virus and bacteria. Frequent cleaning and sanitization of all surfaces across public areas at regular interval, rigorous deep cleaning and application of disinfectants in guest rooms, fitness centers, and restaurants, cleaning of all high touch points like door handles, elevator buttons, countertops, tabletops, and railing with disinfectant at regular intervals. Use of hotel cars for transferring guests to ensure maximum safety, sanitization, and inspection of all the cars by the concierge team before and after every transfer. Deployment of task force under the guidance of our partner and a dedicated hygiene manager to ensure that all protocols measures are strictly followed across all the hotels. Maintaining highest, now when it comes to the restaurant part, the food part, which is the main core part. Maintaining highest standard of food hygiene, restaurant seating to be ensure social distancing, introducing an e-menu that can be viewed by guests on their respective phones, use of hand sanitizers in restaurant, introduction of natural immunity boosting beverages, which will help our guests to stay healthy, mandatory use of PPE kits for the kitchen team to prevent cross-contamination, washing and sanitization of vegetables, fruits, and groceries, preparation of food in small quantities to ensure fresh food is served to the guest, washing all the dishes at 80 degrees Celsius, hygiene training for all the teams. Leveraging technology for a safe stay. This is primarily when the guest is checking in and checking out. The entire reservation, the check-in check-out process, right from the guest checks in the lobby till the guest checks out. Contactless check-in and check-out facility provided with the privilege of paying through phone at checkout. Use of high bar pressure dry steam cleaners for housekeeping. Electrostatic sprayers, a hospitality grade in disinfectant. Full access to digital news and e-papers instead of print newspapers. Adherence to international certification and standards while considering the guidance and information shared by experts from our partner team. Yeah, the ending line that we are ready to welcome you for a remarkable stay with us, wherein caution is the new normal. That's about it for the hygiene protocols that we're going to follow. I've informed and briefed about what our partnership have been done and all the necessary actions that is going to take in the coming future once the hotel is fully operational and we're going to welcome your guest. I believe, Mr. Gupta, we can now open up the session for question answers if there are any.
Yeah, we can start the question answers. If you can stop share your screen, probably you can.
Right, sir. I'll just do that.
And I have a question with Mr. Alan Gore. Is it possible to have combo package for 6 nights using minimum 2 nights at any metro cities, metro properties, 4 nights and at any other destination? So
see, as such, we don't have any combo, but yes, the rate has been given in the market, and we have been giving in the market per night basis. So that can be shared with them. That's not a problem.
Are you guys have any plans to offer any special rate for editor members of your properties, which you can share with the members, and or if you can club with us in a professional way, so members can get benefit out of it?
See, as such, probably we can work out some deal that's we can look into. That's
okay.
So to add on to Mr. Sandeep's point also, and the question of Mr. Gore, that is it possible to give a combo package? Sir, we can, you can, as you are aware, just we were going through our presentation, we have got leisure and city hotels all over Pan India. Okay, so if you are combining up Goa or Udaipur with any of the city hotels, we are open up. Right now, there is the scenario wherein we are open for any kind of negotiation that you want. Okay, we are open for any kind of business that you want. Combination package are going to follow up in the coming future. But yes, if you have something in mind and you want to share with us, we can definitely look up. Earlier, we used to have Leela, Palace journey, wherein Leela Palace New Delhi and Leela Palace Udaipur used to be a combo package. Okay, but now it is no more with us at the moment because of the circumstances that is happening up. But
I think the voice is gone for Mr. Sang. Yeah, sir.
Sir, is it now audible?
Yeah, this is audible now. Yeah.
Okay, I guess I've already questioned.
Yeah. No,
we have already questioned.
Yeah, we all have got your point. Like at the moment, you don't have any such packages, but in the future you may plan,
right.
or you can. We can always ask the members if they have something in mind. Probably we can share with you.
Absolutely.
Fantastic.
Absolutely, sir. Absolutely. Without
next question is from Mr. SD Khanna. Mahatma Mandir 300 plus rooms. Is it finalized or still in pipeline? Negotiation stage?
No. Hotel, hotel is the finishing stage because this hotel has to be operational before Vibrant Gujarat, which is scheduled for January 21.
Yeah.
So yeah, it is 300 plus room inventory. 300 matlab could be 5 room plus minus.
So still not open yet.
Yes. but will be up and running by December. Everything goes well so far.
Oh, sure. Mr. Anil Rajput, our one of our joint secretary in AD2I, is asking
Yeah.
for if Leela can become our AD2I preferred card member. Yes, Anilji, we have already spoken to
Yeah.
Sandeep ji,
So
and
yes.
he has promised us like to get our membership, and also they will participate in the card program once the lockdown is over, and he will talk to the management and get the things done. He has already showed it. Shivani Ahuja Kapoor is asking, hi Sandeep, is there
Yeah.
a minimum stay period required for the residences?
See, as such, no, but yes, one night to begin with.
Sir, to add up to Mr. Sandeep's point also,
Yeah.
Shivani ma'am, yes, we have three kind of apartments. I'm sure she must be talking about Leela Ambience Gurugram, wherein apartments are available. Okay, residences are available in only in Leela Ambience Gurugram. Okay, and when it comes to one bedroom apartment, we can yes look out for one night to number of nights the guest want. But yes, when it comes to two bedroom or three bedroom, that is not available on the website. That is all available offline. And two bedrooms or three bedroom usually are designed in such a way that is only for the long stays. Okay, but yes, if you want for a one or a two nighter stay, we can definitely look up to it, but it has to be very close check-in date. Like if you're asking a reservation for a 2 or 3 night coming, let's say if you're sitting on 13th of May and you're asking on for 15th or 16th May reservation, we can definitely look for 2 or 3 bedroom apartment depending on the availability, because those are usually occupied by the long stairs. However, one bedroom apartment are available for one nighters to the maximum number of nights the guest want.
I
But
hope
is
you
there
can.
any, sorry, is there any norms that minimum 3 nights or minimum 7 nights has to take? If you really see in the European market or the American market, they have some norms
Right,
that these
sir.
packages include for minimum 7 nights or minimum 3 nights or 4 nights, something like. Do you have any norms for that? That
So as
exactly you have for 2 or 3 bedroom apartment, you need to stay minimum 3 nights or something like that. Do you have any rules, regulations, something like that, norms?
so
No, sir.
as of now, we don't have any norm. We don't have
There
any
is
norm.
no norm as such.
We can work on a availability mode wherein if it is available and we are closer to date, okay, then
So
we can offer.
it means tomorrow if I ask you for 3 nights, what's the same dates which Shivani is asking for 7 nights, so you'll
Yeah.
give preference to Shivani. It
So
means if I am asking for 3 nights
Huh.
and the same dates which actually Shivani is also asking, but she is asking for the 7 nights, so she will get a preference to Shivani ji.
Sir,
Definitely, because you need more revenue out of that.
7 nights.
Is it
Naturally.
right or not?
Yeah, naturally.
But that's the reason I asked that if there are some norms, something like that, minimum, so that who comes first will be, the given that the accommodation. So
Basically,
here
sir.
exactly you see the hotel always see for the revenue. Where exactly the same thing happens with the corporates. If the corporates and either travel agent or the tour operator is contacting you, and you have given me such a rate, this is a major problem with the tour operators we people are facing basically,
But
and
I'll
with
tell you,
all the
sir.
hotels. No,
Yeah, yeah.
Sandeep, just a minute.
Okay.
What happens? You have given me a specific rate. Okay. Now tomorrow the corporate comes to you. He said that I am a corporate. I'll give you the business for the whole year, and I will give you 100 nights or 200 nights. Where I cannot commit you as a single tour operator. I cannot commit 100 or 200 room nights. Okay. I can commit you for the timing as soon as the business comes to me. So in that case, what do you do? The hoteliers generally they give the special price which are lower than the tour operator price. This is a major problem with exactly what people are facing. So can you answer for that, please?
See, sir, deal if it depends now who's confirming first. Frankly speaking, because we don't know the 7 nights are coming or not. One nighter is coming or not. If the one nighter says, "Ki my business is confirmed and I'm pretty sure to coming and stay," obviously whosoever confirm first, room can be confirmed accordingly. So there is no as such parameter. If it is 7 nighter comes, so we will give only 7 nighter, not the one nighter. It's very rare. And if you look at the inventory size, we have almost 19. We never get a chance where we bounce anyone and we said no. If it is one nighter and sometime we have large inventory size, we put them in club room or some other room for 1 or 2 nights, and then we shift them to a residence if it is for the long stays.
I think that
Generally, we never.
disqualify the question, I think.
Yeah.
I'm
And
taking the next one.
what about the pricing factor which the corporates, if they come to you and after that, ek minute.
Yeah.
And what about if any corporates comes to you and he says that exactly the price quoted to me already to the tour operator, and after that, the corporates is very smart nowadays, and they directly contact the hotels also, and they ask, I am a corporate, I am also based in Gurugram, and I'll give you such kind of a business. Where exactly he gives you a lot of the words which exactly maybe not feasible for him, and you rely on him, trust on him, and give him the rate which are lower than the tour operator. So here exactly what is your view on that?
No, I'll tell you, sir. See, if it is first of all, if it is long stay, the corporate comes directly. If it is not, if it is long stays coming through some travel company, we ask which corporate, because we know there is a separate set of team who are actually serving to the corporate. There are chances to have a rate conflict. There are chances to have a same query and conflicting with the price or some terms and conditions. And we always check that which corporate, and then we can protect our partner interest.
But you don't have any uniformity of rates between the corporate and the tour operator?
Basically, sir, see, when it comes to hotel unit, of course, there is a parity. When it comes to apartment, we always check who's coming to stay, because in apartments, people, in general, what I've seen, the length of a stay is not less than 3 or 4 nights. It's always like more than a week or 10 days, or could be a month, or could be a year also. So in that case, we always check the profile of the guest who's coming. And so very rare we have, some conflict. Otherwise, it happens. And even I have not seen so far. And so Asan can say. It's more of a parity. I mean, that's
quite obvious,
yeah. Leela, you must have seen, sir, we have not been like undercutting, because we know at last we have to deal with you only.
Right.
Thank you.
We have a member, Mr. Sanjay Saxena. I'm inviting him to speak because he has a couple of questions and I want him to directly take them up. Sanjay ji, if you can listen to me, can you unmute yourself and speak, sir? Yes, Sanjay.
Yeah. So I have one question, because many times when I approach Leela, because I am regularly using CBD Shadra, Leela, every time I came to hear that there is a different rate for the inbound tour operator and a different rate for the domestic tour operator. And they are proudly Abhishek Tomar, I can very well namely said it. They proudly said, sir, मैं उस company को 4500 का रेट देता हूँ, आपको मैं 5000 या 5500 से कम नहीं दे सकता. तो और अभी आपने संदीप सिंह जी ने बड़े प्राउडली बोला कि अगर आप हमें कॉर्पोरेट का नाम बता देंगे तो हम जो है वो देखेंगे कि वो है या नहीं है. मैंने ओबराय और ताज के साथ अपनी उंगलियां, अपना दिमाग, अपनी बॉडी को बंद किया है कि जब भी कॉर्पोरेट का रेट बता दिया है तो वो बिजनेस हमारे पास मिला ही नहीं. और ये आपके साथ भी, मेरे साथ कई बार ऐसा हुआ है कि कॉर्पोरेट का रेट बता दिया तो वो एजेंट तो बिल्कुल बट्टे खाते गया. तो क्या आप में इतनी हिम्मत है कि आप अपना कॉर्पोरेट हमारे साथ भी शेयर कर सकते हो कि जी ये मेरी कॉर्पोरेट लिस्ट है, और अगर आपका कॉर्पोरेट इसमें नहीं है तो हम आपके साथ शेयर करेंगे? डू यू डेयर टू डू दैट?
बड़ा अच्छा क्वेश्चन. देखिए ऐसे है कि दिस इज अ वेरी वैलिड क्वेश्चन.
मेरे पास है नहीं, हम अपनी टर्म्स पे डिक्टेट करने की बातें कर रहे हैं. वी हैव टू compromise in such a situation. I know what you are doing. But the problem is that whether the business is there with you or with me or not. So we have to, अब आप बताओ domestic inbound और उसमें क्या होगा? क्योंकि आज की डेट में होटल्स ने बड़ा बेनिफिट उठा लिया एजेंट्स को बेवकूफ बना के कि भाई एजेंट है जी, इनबाउंड का रेट है मेरे पास, इसका रेट है. Now tell me whether you can give us a good rate lower than the inbound.
Sir, I'll tell you. Rate is something being given based on the volume. And I'm sure you'll be agree on that.
Volume, forget about volume. This is the thing what we are listening when we started our career in 1989. How we can generate a volume, dear? Because you people are put on a आपको एक डंडी पे खड़ा कर दिया जाता है, भाई बिजनेस लेके आओ. आपका फ्रंट मैनेजर के पास एक MIS होती है, भैया तू बिजनेस कितना जनरेट करेगा? मैं आपके लिए बिजनेस करता हूँ. आज की चीजें सारी वेबसाइट पे अवेलेबल है. मेरा क्लाइंट को बताता हूँ, भैया ये लीला देख ले. वो देखता है, वो तुरंत एक मेल छोड़ता है कि भैया मुझे कमरा चाहिए, आपका फ्रंट ऑफिस मैनेजर फटाक सी ना भेज देता है, आता है रिटेल की अभिषेक की किसी सेल से बात कर लो, वो कहता है अच्छा तुमने इस एजेंट से बात की है, ले 10% और कम ले ले। तो मैं वॉल्यूम कहां से जनरेट करूंगा? वॉल्यूम तो सर रेट पे जनरेट होता है। यू पीपल, यू एज ए सेल्स मैनेजर, आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज योर डेजिग्नेशन संदीप सर, असम का भी नहीं पता, यू एज ए सेल्स मैनेजर आर जनरेटिंग वेरी वेल, बिकॉज मैं भी एक सेल्समैन रहा हूँ। वॉल्यूम जनरेट तभी होता है जब आप लोग कॉर्पोरेट को जाके ऐसा रॉक बॉटम प्राइस दे रहे हैं कि वो कहता है अच्छा भैया लिया, वो एजेंट ने मुझे नहीं दे रहा और हमारे यहाँ से बिजनेस जा रहा है। आई थिंक सो अगर हम ये काम कर रहे हैं, वेबिनार कर रहे हैं, तो वी शुड कॉम्प्रोमाइज इन सच ए फैशन कि यू सपोर्ट अस एंड वी सपोर्ट यू। It is not like that we want to take your job, but you have to save ourselves, our business also. It's very frankly.
संजय जी, जहाँ तक मेरे अपनी नॉलेज और एक्सपीरियंस है सर, आई ऑलवेज
पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस मत बोलिए, इंडस्ट्री के एक्सपीरियंस की बात करिए, क्योंकि पर्सनल जो आप बोलने वाले हैं वो जवाब तो मुझे पता है कि आप ऐसा नहीं करते होंगे, लेकिन एजेंट जितने भी हैं, क्योंकि मैं खुद होटल के क्या क्या डाटा मालिक लोग करते हैं और कैसे एजेंट का बिजनेस लेके चले जाते हैं। और जहां तक ये इसकी बात आती है जी, कॉर्पोरेट का नाम हमें बता दें, अब तो इनबाउंड टूर ऑपरेटर का नाम भी बताओ कि वो कौन है जी, वो हमारी लिस्ट में है या नहीं है। You people never share inbound tour operator list with us. How can we tell you the inbound tour operator list? मेरे पास चाइना का टूर आता है जी, नाम बता दो। अरे भैया मैं क्यों बता दूं, पहले आप बताओ आपके पास है या नहीं है।
No, we don't sir, we don't ask DMC, sorry,
you told just now, आपने बोला कि अगर हमें एजेंट कॉर्पोरेट बता देगा तो हम देखेंगे, हमने उसको कोई डील तो नहीं दे रखी, अभी तो बोला आपने।
मतलब I think this is a general problem members are facing in the market. So what Mr. Sanjay is saying is an example. So he's facing it. Do we have any guidelines, any criteria for this?
It is more of a alignment. It's more, हाँ
जी
सर। अब क्या होता है कि कभी हम ऐसी चीजें, बिकॉज इसमें मैं यही कह सकता हूँ सर कि ये इट्स मोर ऑफ ए कॉन्फिडेंट, आई मीन आई डोंट नो हाउ which are the situation he has gone through, but happened is, and we knew this business is coming from them, matlab particular corporate only, but we never undercut, because I know I can cut only one corporate, but he has been dealing with 10 more corporates, and those businesses are going to affect at last. So I understand one or two cases, but in general, no hoteliers prefer to undercut, travel partners, TAC, or what you can say, markup. Because
अगर ऐसा है तो we are happy to hear this.
It is not the that particular business is not the first and the cannot be last.
अब तो हम रिटायरमेंट पे चले गए। अब इसका एक एमिकेबल सॉल्यूशन निकाल लेते हैं।
संजय जी सुनिए,
कि आप ADTOI को एक रेट दे दो,
हाँ,
ठीक है, वॉल्यूम बात छोड़ दो, वो बातें मत करो जो एक एंटरप्रेन्योर बात करता है जी वॉल्यूम क्या लाएगा। आप कितना वॉल्यूम देते मुझे बता दो, असंग ने कितना वॉल्यूम दिया ये मुझे बता दो, क्या इन्होंने फिक्स कर दी, क्या इनके टारगेट्स पूरे हो जाते हैं।
हाँ
सर, जब टारगेट्स की पीपी सर बहुत पुराने मार्केट के अंदर, सर एक मिनट मेरी बात, मैंने वो लाइव देखी है कि मैं जब हिमाचल बेचता था, मेरे ऑफिस के अंदर लाइन लगती थी वर्चुअली, और लोग मेरी मिन्नतें करते थे मेरे को कमरे दे दो। आज की डेट में मैं हिमाचल 1% नहीं बेचता, क्योंकि इतने सारे प्लेयर्स आ गए मार्केट के अंदर। अब वो इतने सारे प्लेयर्स सब आपको अप्रोच करते हैं, आप भी सबको बड़ी ग्लैडली एक्सेप्ट करते हो। आप नहीं, मतलब आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द होटल इंडस्ट्री। तो वी शुड हैव ए प्राइस कि भाई एक हमारी एक प्राइस है जो कि ADTOI को दी गई है, उसके ऊपर वॉल्यूम बेस्ड है कि भाई ये वॉल्यूम बेस्ड है, अगर आप इतना वॉल्यूम लाओगे तो आप ले जाओ बिजनेस। फॉरगेट अबाउट कॉर्पोरेट है या नहीं है, क्या नहीं है, क्या नहीं है, बस खत्म बात। सबको आपको सावधानी है।
संदीप जी, अगर संदीप जी गॉट योर पॉइंट सर। संदीप जी, अगर हम ऐसे एक बना सकते हैं, इफ यू कैन वर्क ऑन दिस, सो आई वुड लाइक यू टू कनेक्ट विद संजय जी and our hotel committee chairman Mr. Vishal Bhatia, and they both can sit and draft a letter which you can consider and take it forward, sir.
Sanjay ji, एक चीज to minimize your challenges with Leela and to
no, it is not with Leela. No, sorry, it is not only with Leela, it is with the fraternity, hotel fraternity, sir. I am not talking about only Leela. मैं आपको blame नहीं कर रहा. मैं
नहीं सर,
आपको blame नहीं कर रहा. मैं hotel
But
industry.
वो संजय जी यहाँ पे he is only responsible for the Leela ना, so we have to understand
can-
this also.
सर ये आज लीला में है, 2 साल बाद 1 साल बाद किसी और होटल में भी तो जाएंगे,
वो
तो कम
तो
से कम
पहले-
हमारी को तो लेके चले जाएंगे ना वो.
नहीं लीला
2 साल में 3 साल में चेंज होता है.
नहीं सर, संजय जी करते हैं इसको ना, विशाल के साथ मिलकर सर एक काम करते हैं इसके ऊपर, एक लेटर ड्राफ्ट करते हैं. We will call you also and we will forward to संदीप जी for further action on this.
मैं एक काम करता हूँ संजय जी, मैं आपका नंबर लेता हूँ संजय जी, चेतन जी से, और फिर मैं आपसे बात करता हूँ.
संदीप जी मेरी एक सबमिशन है बड़ी
बताएं
सुपर.
सर.
अभी जो ये इशू चल रहे हैं, मेरी आपसे एक हम्बल सबमिशन है, सिंस यू आर such a big organization,
sir,
why don't you come out with an ad?
समझा नहीं सर.
आप हमारा अपनी एक ऐड के अंदर या आपने उस क्लिपिंग में डील बुक विद 82 मेंबर्स एक क्लिपिंग तो फ्लैश करके चला सकते हो ना. रेट आप हमें एक फिक्स रेट दो और हमारी ये फ्लैशिंग कर दो, तो हमारे मेंबर भी खुश, वॉल्यूम भी आपके पास भी आ जाएंगे, चैलेंजेस भी हमारे खत्म हो जाएंगे और हम आपसे ग्रीवेंस भी नहीं करेंगे. आई थिंक सो अगर एक ने भी एक कर दिया तो 800.
संजय जी मैंने कोई बिफोर इंस्टेड ऑफ टेकिंग इट फर्दर लॉन्गर, आप सर बैठ कर बात करते हैं, कैसे ड्राफ्ट कर लेते हैं. विल स्पीक टू हिम कि क्या-क्या चाहिए.
चलिए ठीक है.
थैंक यू संजय जी. संदीप जी हमारे एक मेंबर है.
थैंक यू संजय जी, थैंक यू
सर. हमारे मेंबर है शिवानी आहूजा. शी हैज अनदर क्वेश्चन. विल देयर बी प्राइस एस्केलेशन विद द सुरक्षा प्रोग्राम ऐड ऑन कॉस्ट टू द होटल? सर आपने जो सुरक्षा प्रोग्राम अभी लॉन्च किया है, सर सुरक्षा प्रोग्राम लॉन्च किया है आपने, उससे प्राइस बढ़ाएंगे सर आप?
हाँ सॉरी, उसकी
सर होटल का प्राइस बढ़ेगा?
there is no I'll tell you, there is no revision so far because we have already introduced our prices in the market. Those are going to be applicable till 30th of September. So and there is no indication, there is no communication to increase or decrease the price from the management side. So there is as such there is nothing. Yes.
Right. Mr. Anil Rajput has a question. Post-COVID situation will make a lot of changes. Hotel sales will be under pressure. What assurance can be given to AD2I that our members will get a fair deal?
Fair deal in terms of rate?
About the prices, yes. For the rate.
Definitely.
Rate. So I told you now we'll work out something where you should have some benefit out of it.
What he meant with the question is like after this post-COVID, there are a lot of changes happening in the hotel. Hotel sales will be under pressure to get the sales in the hotel, and you will be applying all this suraksha and all these norms in the hotels for the safety and security of the customer. So he wants to ask, is there any assurance for the AD2I that all our members will get a fair deal in the best of prices?
Yeah, see, I'll tell you, you are in the market and you have to have a fair deal with not AD2I, to all the partners, whether it's from inbound, domestic, MICE, because if you are not been fair with your partners, then who will come to you next?
Yeah. Fair enough, sir. But yeah, Sanjay ji has a...
have to have very fair segment, irrespective of the segment, you can say.
Yeah. But Sanjay ji has is a valid question and he wants to discuss it further. So I'll share Mr. Sanjay Saxena's number with you, and probably we can take it over the call and we can send it on the email and take things further on this. I think that we have taken all the questions more or less here. So thank you, Sandeep ji, for your time. And I would request Sandeep ji and Asang ji to share the presentation with you today, so that we can share it with the members at large.
I'm going to share right now to all my safety measures what the Leela is going to take all across hotel, and the presentation what Asang has taken you through Suraksha. So there is a 2 set of hygiene. One we are going to do for the guest and so for our team and the outside hotel. That is a 2 set of attachment I'm going to share with you.
Okay.
Please share to all your member across in AD2I.
So send me.
And secondly, before I ask MICE, are you doing something for the MICE?
Sir, sorry, sir.
Go on, sir. Go on.
Chetan,
yes, sir.
are you doing something for the MICE? Because you have a lot of hotels which are mice generated business. So what exactly the guidelines you are doing for the mice
Okay.
segments also?
Mice, I'll tell you, you must have seen as per WHO, our health ministry guideline, 1.5 meter distance you have to keep, and not more than 50 people at a time should be in the hall. So that is there.
So if I want to do a mice for 50 people, suppose any convention or conference or something like that, how you are going to manage it? I mean, they want to be in the cluster or maybe in the theater style. How will do that?
Okay, so distance between two chairs, understand, will be 1.5 meter.
And what about the food at the time of the lunch or the dinner or the breakfast? What exactly measures you'll be taking?
So as of now, sir, we are going to serve more of a la carte. When it comes to group, we'll have to put a buffet. What is called, we'll serve as soon as, because we have to maintain a certain degree temperature, and keep veg and non-veg separate in a distance, because there are chances for the fermentation faster.
No, yes. But exactly if the 50 people are there, you have vegetarian, non-veg, that I understand. But immediately 50 people go into the vegetarian side, so there will not be social distancing in that. So what kind of measures you are taking for that?
So that's, we have to follow that circle, sir. If the one person is there at the buffet, another has to wait. It is not like 25 people will go, will approach to the buffet in one go. People will go one by one, two by two. So if 2 person are taking like one person at one side, other person other side, so that distance has to maintain, because that's how this protocol has to follow.
And what about the marriages, weddings, and everything, which you will be? Suppose 50 maximum people are attending the marriage, okay, and you want that the wife and the husband should be also at the distance of 1 meter.
Sir, social distancing in public area has to follow.
You have to do it, so there's no other way, sir. Okay, sir. Sandeep, I am taking our Vice President, Mr. Arya, on speaker. He had a question in mind. I want to speak to you. One moment.
Please.
Rajesh ji, if you can listen to me. Yeah, please go on.
Yeah. Good evening, Sandeep ji.
Good evening, Rajesh ji. Pleasure to hear
boss, thank you. This is rather, my question to you is rather not a question, it's a rather question come complaint.
Yes, sir.
I have booked one room in Goa, Leela Goa. That was booked through some consolidator. I will not disclose the name over here.
Right, sir.
That I booked in the month of Feb last week.
Right,
and
sir.
After 15th March, everything was shut down. 18th March, the flight was shut down and hotel was also shut down. Lockdown period was start by 20th. So in the meanwhile, I cancelled my booking on the 15th of March.
Right, sir.
But through whom I booked the hotel, they're asking for the payment, because when I asked, the booking is cancelled 1 month before and the period is also very, crucial. So how you can ask the payment? He said, hotel wala is after my life and he is also after my life. So how you can tell me? He said, you have raised the bill to this consolidator and you are asking for the money. That will be, will issue the credit shell against that booking, and that can be used before October.
I'll tell you, if you have booked through a consolidator, consolidators pay us at least 10 lakhs rupee in advance. So the moment he places a booking, his money get deducted immediately. And what is the duration? Because I'm sure,
sir, the booking was for the month of April, the middle of April, and I cancelled that booking 15th March because आपको सब मालूम हो रहा था कि what's going on further.
Correct.
So the consolidator said कि you have raised the bill to the consolidator, and consolidator calling again and again, you have to amount. We will issue the credit shell against that booking.
Rajesh sir, I'll tell you, in normal course, generally your consolidator pays like some lump sum 10 lakhs in advance. The moment he places booking, we immediately debit the amount from his deposit. Now, to securing your business, because generally people take some token advance to secure the business. I think that is one of the attempt. Otherwise, as such, we never ask payment, because there his money is already lying with us much in advance.
Money is lying with you and you have deducted the same, I don't know, but he's asking, he's after my life, you have to pay the amount. So do you think it's a justified? Even I cancelled that booking 1 month before.
He must have asked payment because of to secure business from you. You know, booking should not get released for the last.
Sandeep, what is the hotel policy in this case?
Having a challenge for cancellation, a cancellation amount, everything I'll tell you. Sorry.
What is the hotel policy in this case, sir?
It is.
देखो, hello, just a minute, Sandeep. They with the consolidators, Rajesh ji, आपको मैं बता रहा हूँ, and I think Sandeep ji, I will answer that. They have some terms and conditions with the consolidators, hotel principal and the consolidators. So under these conditions, what exactly has happened? It has happened. So if Rajesh, if you have done this booking with the consolidators, just from the Sandeep and I'm sending, I think you should fight with the consolidator, not with the hotels, because you have not given the booking to the hotel. You are giving booking to the consolidators. You are dealing with the consolidator, not with the hotel. So he is not answerable to you, basically. He is after your life. That's another thing. So you have to handle your life with the consolidator, not with the the hotel. This is, am I right?
Khanna ji, that's true. But मेरा क्वेश्चन ये, जब 1 महीना पहले सब चीजें बंद हो गया, इवन होटल वाज आल्सो क्लोज, शट डाउन, देन उस केस में तो इवन होटल को भी कंसल्टेंट से पेमेंट नहीं मांगनी चाहिए.
नहीं सर,
देखो वो उनका आपस में क्या टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस है, दैट दे व्हाट आर द टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस दे हैव साइंड, एमओ उन्होंने क्या साइन किया हुआ है, इट ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन इट. बट यस, this is something which is a totally different, it is a nature actually which has really come, this cause has come basically. For that here exceptions are there, definitely. The consolidator to talk with this, at this exceptions period, when there is something naturally has happened or something has caused, which is the disaster has caused. So in that case, consolidators talk to the hotel and to ask for all these things, credit shells or whatever it is you have done that. I think, am I right, Sandeep?
Yeah, it is. Basically, sir, consolidators, we never asked money from the consolidator because we knew his money is already with us. He must have asked some payment from Rakesh because of securing his business. And if it is being cancelled, I'm sure there is no retention because I think month in advance there was no retention application.
I think that is the point you have. Sandeep, I think that is the point which Rajesh wants to know. If they have cancelled 1 month in advance, there should be no charges attached to it. So I think this is what Rajesh wants to ask.
No, that's the only terms and conditions I am talking. What are the terms and conditions?
Yes, sir.
It is week prior. It is week prior.
I guess yes, Mr. Sandeep is right, sir. Adding to your point also, I just want to ask Rajesh, sir, if it is 1 month prior, the policy itself says that if you cancel 30 days prior to check-in, there's no retention that is applicable.
Okay, thank you very much.
So if he has been charged anything, do let us know. We can, and tell us who is the consolidator. We can tell them. That's not a problem.
Okay,
that's a great help. Thank you, Sandeep. Thank you, Rajesh.
Welcome, sir. Bye.
So I've got one more question. I'm taking just 1 or 2 more questions, and then we close the session, sir.
Most welcome. Looking forward to interacting with more partners.
Gaur Sahib is asking if one couple wants to have dinner, how they will sit together or separate. Of course, Gaur Sahib, क्या बात कर रहे हो सर आप?
सर सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग 1.5 मीटर का डिस्टेंस होएगा दोनों में.
No sir.
और साहब घर में भी रखते हैं सर डिस्टेंस.
घर का टेम्परेचर अलग है, पब्लिक एरिया का टेम्परेचर अलग है.
सर एक ना क्वेश्चन संजय जी द्वारा पूछ रहे हैं. आई थिंक दैट इज आल्सो वैलिड क्वेश्चन. अभी आपने सेफ्टी मेजर्स की बात करी है. One safety measure missed is change of linen on daily basis and method of cleaning. You said 80 degrees temperature will be maintained in cleaning the plates. What about drying of these clean plates? So sorry, उसको clean plates आप सुखाते हो, उसका क्या measure है?
You're talking about utensils.
Utensils, yes.
Sir, utensils. See, it is all. It's all. We have a dishwasher. This is all. Yeah, it's all dishwasher, I could say, because this is all. It is not the man has to clean the utensils.
Basically, he wants to ask the question of utensils and the linen. Like your
Linen, I'll tell you.
Linen,
So there is
linen are, to add up Sandeep sir's point, linen has been taken care of by the laundry department, and at the moment itself, we are taking the hygiene standard as per the international level. These all have been washed, thoroughly washed, and dried and cleaned every day. So linen will follow up the same procedure that we were usually following up. When it comes to utensils, we had a long, big machines, dishwashers, wherein high degree temperatures have been maintained to clean up and dry them up. There is a separate department, which is KST department, who will be equipped with the PPE kits so that there's no inter-transmission that is happening at the back of the hotel. Plus, all the hygiene standards have been taken care at per standards. So housekeeping was already, not before COVID-19 also. We are dealing with all the international tourists. Those may be having, some skin problem. So, making sure that the linens have been washed properly under the right temperature has always been our predominant protocol to follow when it comes to laundry.
I think this is one of the most important part for hygiene and security for
Right, sir.
Well,
even our presentation has a more elaborate, and they have covered point by point, step by step, starting from arrival till checkout. Because the kind of process we have made, there is no touch point. It is all going to be digital. So once you look at, you will have a complete detail how we are going to take check-ins, how we are escorting to the guest from the lift to the room, and so taking care of his overall stay and experience, and then giving a bill and collecting payments. So this is all going to be like a complete digital process. Yes.
I think that's satisfied the question. Thank you, Sandeep ji, for your time today. Thank you, Asang ji. And please share the presentation. And people wants to have your contact details, which we'll share with the members for their future reference. And if they want to
please
share or contact you for any of the queries, probably they can contact you directly for this.
Please.
And yeah,
we're looking forward. We're looking forward.
Thank you so much, Sandeep ji.
Thank you, Khanna sahab.
Thank you, Mr. Khanna.
Thank you. And I would like to say thank you to Asang for giving all this information to our members, and thank you to Ved Khanna ji also. Yes. I don't know, is he there with Khanna ji? Chetan, can you check if he is there?
No, sir, I don't think he's there.
So anyway, thank you very much to you, because he initiated that with you, and we are thankful to all of you for this nice presentation, and we'll be in touch with you, and let us work together.
Looking forward to work closely with each of you. Thank you.
Thank you everyone.
Good. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you, members, and we'll share the presentation soon. Thank you.
Bye bye.